In this 46th video, I speak on an important topic, my gurus, the great masters I love. In my view, guru is the one who embraced me, polished me, and imparted me the true knowledge that enlightened me and inspired me to grow up and to serve my nation. My parents, my mother and father have given me this sacred life, whereas my gurus have given me this sacred knowledge. So I am very much indebted to both my parents and my gurus for their generosity, grace, and showering on me their blessings. Since my early school days, I had great interest in mathematics, science, and English. The very first teacher who inspired me was Sri Konareddy Garu, uh, who used to teach mathematics when I was in 8th class at the Jilla Parishad High School, Miryalaguda, Nalgonda district in Telangana in the year 1963. The way Sri Konareddy Garu used to write steps in mathematics to solve the problems was inspiring and motivating, and I had developed a great passion for mathematics in my very early school days. Suryanarayana Garu was my another guru who inspired me, and in his science class he used to teach science lessons, science subject when I was studying ninth class in the year 1964 in the same school. And he used to teach not only science but also he used to tell us the great biographies of the great scientists of the world, Archimedes and Isaac Newton. And also he used to tell us the great biographic stories of our great Indian servants, men like Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi ji. So by which I had developed the sense of integrity, honesty and patriotism in my childhood. In the year 1965, when I was studying 10th class at the Jilla Parishad High School, Miryalaguda, Nalgonda district in Telangana, Sri Ponnuru Subbarao Garu used to teach me grammar by asking me to sit all alone in a building, and every day he used to teach English grammar in the early hours of the day, that is about 5 o'clock in the morning. About for in a year 12 months he taught me English grammar and made me perfect in the English grammar, for which I am always indebted to my Ponnuru Subbarao Garu, my guru, my favorite guru and ideal guru, and who taught me English grammar for 1 year. And then in the year 1966, when I was studying 11th class, A. Lakshmareddy Garu, another teacher who inspired me very much by his teachings in science, general science. He used to teach science and also write equations, chemical equations on the blackboard very clearly, and I had developed great interest the way he used to write the chemical equation on the blackboard. He used to get the equipment to the classrooms and conduct the experiments and demonstrate the experiments, the preparation of gases like chlorine, hydrogen and oxygen. And that's how he has motivated me in science subject. I had developed a great passion for chemistry in those days only, in the year 1966 when I was just in 11th class. And by the blessings of Sri Subbarao Garu and Sudhakar Rao Garu, another teacher, I had stood school first among all the sections in consequently for 3 years. That is in ninth class, in 10th class and 11th class, I stood school first, and for which I am very much indebted to my gurus, Subbarao Garu, Ponnuru Subbarao Garu, who taught me English grammar, and also A. Sudhakar Rao Garu, who taught me morals and manners. And in addition to that, in the year 1967, in summer vacation, after finishing my 11th class, Sri A. Sudhakar Rao Garu invited me to his house and taught me English grammar once again and made me practice all the exercise from Renan Martin grammar book. So that's how I had developed a proficiency in English grammar by the grace of two gurus, that is Ponnuru Subbarao Garu, who taught me English grammar for 1 year, and Sudhakar Rao Garu, who once again taught me English grammar for 2 months. So then after finishing my BSc first year at the Nagarjuna Government Degree College Nalgonda, I had come to Hyderabad and joined special BSc Chemistry Special at the University College of Science, Osmania University in the year 1970, and then Associate Professor KSR Krishnamohan Rao Garu taught me used to teach organic chemistry in the Science College, and with great interest he used to teach the mechanisms of inorganic chemistry. And not only that, he used to call me every day to clarify doubts if I had any in the carbon chemistry. That's how I had developed great interest in the carbon chemistry, organic chemistry when I was in BSc second year, special BSc second year in the University Science College, Osmania University. When I was appearing for my special BSc final year exams in the year 1972 in the Science College, Osmania University campus, I had not copied in the examinations, all the examinations, and I had shown great integrity in the examinations. This integrity of mine was noticed by all the professors in the Science College, Usman University, and Professor J.V. Ramana Rao Garu and Professor Rajamohini Sebastian, the professors in the zoology department, were kind enough to notice and my integrity and recognized my integrity and invited me to the staff room in the zoology department and honored me with a token of appreciation, for which I am always indebted to them in my life. In the year 1972, I had joined my MSc Biochemistry in the University College of Science, Osmania University, and I had finished MSc Biochemistry there in the university campus. And then after completing the first year, I had to appear for MSc first year examinations, and the examination hall was situated in the chemistry department in the physical chemistry block. And in the early morning at about 8:30, I was walking in the corridor towards the physical chemistry block to enter the examination hall, but I was not able to walk properly, and I was just about to fall onto the ground. This kind of condition was noticed by my favorite guru, Sri K.S.R. Krishnamohan Rao Garu, who was standing there at his lab in the organic chemistry, and he immediately rushed to me and realized the condition of mine, and immediately rushed to his lab and brought a bottle of glucose and also a glass of water, and put the glucose powder in the glass and glass of water, and stirred well and asked me to take it, and I had taken it. And then within 10 minutes I got well and I went to the examination hall, and perfectly I have written the examination, that is MSc first year examination, general chemistry paper. And I thanked my guru, Professor Krishnamohan Rao Garu, for his kind assistance, timely help in the hour of the need and on that day. And then after finishing my MSc Biochemistry, Professor KSR Krishnamohan Rao Garu called me and asked me to join research in chemistry or biochemistry, and he was so kind towards me. He has written a letter to Dr. K.G. Das Garu, who was working as a deputy director in the mass spectrometry division at National Chemical Laboratories, Pune, and requested him to offer me a position in the research division. Then I went to Pune on the advice of Professor Krishnamohan Rao Garu, and then met K.G. Das Garu, Deputy Director, National Chemical Laboratories, and had little discussion about the research work to be carried out. I had returned to Hyderabad, but for domestic reasons I could not take the advantage of the offer made by K.G. Das Garu. But anyhow, I am thankful for their offer, and I am always indebted in my lifetime to both my teachers, that is the one who has taught me organic chemistry, Professor Krishnamohan Rao in the Department of Chemistry, and the one K.G. Das Garu, who had given me an offer in research. And then to quench my thirst for research in chemistry, I had approached Professor Yamananda Rao Garu, Professor in Chemistry, Department of Chemistry, Osmania University Science College, OU campus. Then with my Professor Anand Rao Garu very kindly accepted my request for research, and has accepted my request for research. Then I had joined under the guidance of Professor M. Anand Rao Garu for research work in the chemistry department in 1997, and I had carried out the research work under the able guidance of Professor Emananda Rao Garu with his kind, generous guidance and blessing showered on me time to time, and all the help be made by providing equipment and chemicals for my research work. At last, with his kind, generous blessings of Sri Ananda Rao Garu, I had obtained the degree of doctorate in chemistry, that is PhD degree, in the year 2002 from the Usman University. And then, in conclusion, I salute all my gurus. I kneel down before them to salute them again, once again, the great masters I love, and who showered their best wishes on me throughout my life and made me shine in the shine of science, made me serve in the shine of science. So thank you very much, dear viewers. If you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, dear viewers.